boom. Ha, 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 ha. Hi YouTube. So today we are going to learn a really lovely movement, little combination. It's going to feature the dip. So we're going to have drop, drop, dip, shoulder, 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 twist to repeat it all over again. Alright, so without further ado, let's begin. Please hit like, follow, subscribe, like all that good stuff before we get started. And if you like my videos, please share them, okay? Anyway, let's go. So, first things first, let's just do some hip drops to warm up. Legs together, classical position. Shift your weight back and down on top into the supporting legs. Heel for me. Engage the belly, lift your chest, drop your shoulders, lengthen your neck, smile, yeah. Okay, ready? So we're going to do some drops. It's going to be hip drop, the boss leg is bent the whole time, drop, chest lifted, tummy in, shoulders down, smile, long neck, and I'm dropping, dropping, dropping. I'm going to face the front so you can see a bit more from the front. Watch your legs, make sure it's not a big gaping gap. And I'm wearing shorts, don't worry, I'm not flashing you. I got this, we're okay. Sink, and drop, hip drop, hip drop, hip drop. Make sure this leg stays bent all the time. Don't straighten it, okay? Drop, 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 drop. We're gonna change legs. Classical position on this side now. Sink back, sit on the top of the heel. Engage the belly, lift the chest, drop the shoulders, lengthen the neck. We're going drop, drop, drop. So how do I make it a drop, you might ask? Well, I'll come to my school, I'll teach you properly, but in the meantime, just the most basic point is that you squeeze the bum cheek to make it nice and sharp. 1, 2, chest lifted, shoulders down, long neck. Yes. Ha, ha. Okay, what we're going to do now is we're going to take it backwards in 2s. Okay, so we're going straight into the combination if you haven't noticed. So if you want a bit more of a warm up, please go and warm up properly. I've got warm up videos on my channel and so on and so on and so on. So, ba, ba. I want you to imagine you've got half a slice of pizza or half a slice of beautiful chocolate cake or whatever your favorite food is. Okay, and you need to cut it into 2 equal pieces. Okay, 2 equal pieces. So I need to twist my hip forward slightly. Okay, I'm going to lift and drop there, and then I'm going to lift it as I move, and then I'm going to drop there. Don't go all the way back because you need space for the third movement, which we haven't done yet, okay? So you're going to come forward, show your bum cheek, hide your belly button. I'm going to drop my hip and drop my hip. Actually, let's say drop center, okay? So forward, here. So now you've got a quarter of a pizza, quarter of a slice of cake. So bum cheek, I'm going to go here, drop, front corner, and then into the center, drop. Okay, so here we go. I'm going to come a little bit closer so you can see. So I twist, I show my bum cheek, and I've got hip drop at the front corner, drop at the middle. And again, hip drop, hip drop, hip drop, hip drop to the front corner, center. Try not to bounce. Okay, drop, hip drop, hip drop. Let's try the other side. So you're here, classical position, sink back onto the heel, and now you want to stop at 3. This is 3 o'clock, yes? 12 o'clock, 3 o'clock. You're going to stop, show your bum cheek, hip drop, middle, hip drop. We didn't do any hip drops on this side, did we? Let's do that first. So drop, oh yes we did. Scatterbrain today. I'm filming so many things at the moment and I'm confusing them all at the same time. Anyway, so it's drop, let's go again. So it's hip drop, middle, go to the front, hip drop, center. When you're dropping, make sure that your heel's not going up and down. Okay? So we've got bum cheek, center, bum cheek, center, bum cheek, center, bum cheek, center, bum cheek, center. Okay, come on YouTube, let's add on the juicy bit. So my face is, let's go back to this leg again. And first things first, so we're going to do classical position, and we're going to go front, back, and now we're going to do, I always think of a big U shape or a big smile like this. Okay, but you're going to go over and then in the middle, so it's a bit more of a smile. Round and then hook, round and then hook, okay? Watch. So I'm going to go drop, drop, round, hook it at the top. Okay, I'll show you this first before I show you my legs. So let's go down. Hips, hip drop, lift it, and now we're gonna scoop, drop the hip, scoop it, twist it forward, show your bum cheek, lift it up where you came from, and then take it back into the middle. All right, let's go again. I'll show you my hip shape. Okay, so we're gonna start over here, show your bum cheek. You're gonna go drop, drop, lift, take it as far back as you can so you're showing your belly button. Now I need to, because my hip is lifted, I'm gonna drop my hip, so hip drop. And as my hip drops, I'm gonna come down, I'm gonna scoop, I'm gonna twist, show my bum cheek, and then push my hip up at the top and bring it back into the center. Okay, now you're gonna pay attention to my legs. Look at my legs. So, I'm gonna go drop, drop, lift. See my leg? When I drop, I'm gonna bend my knees and scoop, like a boom. And then like straighten. So I'm doing this at the same time. So when my hip drops, at the bottom of my circle, I dip. And when I push my hip up, I come up with it, okay? So I'm going drop, drop, lift. Then I'm gonna do plie, which means to bend the knees, scoop. And as I bring my hip up, I am lifting at the same time and I push my legs up. And then I'm gonna just twist back into the center. Okay, let's try it on the other side. Smile, good for you. Part of the requirements is to smile, so there. Are you smiling? I see you, I see you. Okay, are you ready? So, start forward, show your bum cheek. We've got hip drop to the center. And now, we're gonna lift again, show my belly button. All right, and then I'm gonna drop and bend and plie. So I have to drop my hip at the same time as I bend. I don't just bend, I don't just drop, I have to do both, yeah? So I go down, and I scoop, and as I get to the front, I'm gonna straighten my legs-ish, push my hip up, and come back into the center. Okay, should we try it? Okay, so you've got hip drop, lift, dip, scoop, push up, I'm pushing my hip up, and I come up. I need it to be up, you'll see why in a minute, okay? All right, let's go again. So I've got drop, drop, lift, scoop, whee, up, center. Okay, back to the other leg for me. All right, we're gonna add on. Let's just do it a few times, actually. So you're gonna go drop, drop, dip and scoop, and let's go again. Drop, drop, dip and scoop, again. One more time. Drop, dip and scoop. Okay, stay there. Now look, I need you to keep your hip up. Keep it up. You'll see why in a second. Now we're going to do 3 shoulder rolls. If I face the front, I'm going shoulder roll 1, shoulder roll 2, shoulder roll 3. Shoulder roll 1, shoulder roll 2. My shoulder's going forward, up and back and down, forward, up and back and down, forward, up and back and down. Okay, so it'll be 1, 2, 3. Okay. Let's add it on. 5, 6, 7, and drop, drop, dip and scoop, hold it, and shoulders, 1, 2, 3. Let's finish the last move so we can repeat it. Now what I want you to do is you're going to do a hip twist, because you're in the middle, twist it to the front, and that's how you're going to start to get in the right position to start again. How clever is that? Woohoo! Okay, you ready? So, let's go slowly. Let's change legs actually. So, slow motion, we're going to do hip drops. So, drop, center, lift, dip and scoop, whee! Push the hip up, stay up. Now you're going to start on this shoulder, so the front shoulder, same hip. Shoulder, 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 and then you're going to twist the hip forwards, so you're going to touch the front wall in front of you. And then you're going to do it again. Drop, drop, dip and scoop. Make that as juicy as you can. Stop in the middle. Shoulder, 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 twist. Okay, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Faster optional. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Twist. Drop, drop, scoop, shoulder, shoulder, shoulder twist. Hey! Let's try it on this side. Okay, ready? So you're gonna go 5, make it your own. 5, 6, 7, go. Drop, drop, dip. 5, 6, oh that's really fast. Let's go slow. Sorry, my bad. Slowly fast. You can stay slow or you can go fast afterwards, okay? Let's go slow. Count it. 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, twist 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Faster optional. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Last time. Go boom, boom. Ha, 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 ha. Yay! Well done. So that was our combination for the day. I hope you enjoyed it. If you like it, please share, like, subscribe, and follow. And join my school, and I'll look after you and teach you properly. Okay? Bye.